All right, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about. We, I think I got on y'all so bad on the other videos today, but pretty much we're going to. This is a question that I've been seeing a lot of people are dealing with the same problem. They start the program, they're very excited. And then 1 or 2 months later, they're starting to realize that the cost is getting high. And, a way that we can help solve some of those problems, we offer financing, especially because this comes from the ladies who are probably getting weave and trichology services. It is an investment if you're going to get your hair maintained. So it's like you're paying two people, but you're getting a discount. You're doing two services. You're getting weave and wig maintenance, and also you're getting trichology hair loss services, all within the same visit. So the bill is not as low as what you might. I don't even know. Well, and that's why I guess we're not even gonna go that far. But I see why some people sometimes they decide to go back down medical lane. Okay, they decide to go back to the dermatologist because their insurance is covering it. However, we want to let you guys know that there are some other options as far as to make this program more affordable for you. Number one, we have different online payment plans through Sezzle. And also, we do personalized payment plans if you want to break up your payments. But Sezzle will break up your payments within 6 weeks. Okay? And that's another thing. The weave doctor is going to a money management program. You can pay for whatever you want. Stop buying all these. Hold on, where my goblet at? This is my crab cruncher. All right, child. I live in Maryland, okay? Stop buying all them pocketbooks, okay? And no onesies on Facebook. And maybe you could afford getting your hair loss treatment, okay? And another thing, it depends on some of your insurance programs. Some of these services actually can be covered. I know for some of the vets, they can be covered. And you might be able to purchase some of our products with your medical supply, with your HSA card. So there's different options involved. So it is a commitment when you're signing up, and definitely a financial commitment, especially if you want to get long-term results. Okay, that's part of the question. The next part of the question I've had: can I use your products and go to the dermatologist? The only problem is that I guess that you could maybe use our products maybe once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks. I definitely do not encourage you to mix our products. Our products are very concentrated. That's why that's why they're very costly. Okay, number one, you don't need a lot to use it to get the results. These products are like tinctures, so they are very concentrated amounts of various different herbs and different antiviral and anti-inflammatory agents that we have used within our different formulas. So we do not encourage you to use this and mix it with the derm. Don't use this on a day-to-day basis. If you're going to mix it, I guess I can say that you might want to only use our product maybe once or twice that week, really maybe once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks. You have to be careful when you're mixing and blending a lot of these different things. Okay, the other thing that we want to talk about, when you're going to the dermatologist, a lot of them are prescribing that you guys use these different steroid creams and these antibiotic different serums that we do not agree with. And a lot of these things are causing more inflammation in the body and weakening your immune system. That's why one of the biggest contributors to hair loss is inflammation. And so, we don't know how to explain it to you guys. This is just not a good practice. I guess maybe it's like, I think it's kind of like somebody saying that they're vegan, but they eat chitlins and fried chicken on the weekends, or they eat chitlins and fried chicken 3 times a week. Is this bad? At the end of the day, you're going to have to come. And a lot of my clients, I feel sorry for them because a lot of them are so used to Western medicine and they have been indoctrinated since birth that the only way to deal with problems, especially skin problems or health problems, is by taking medicine. And that's another thing. We have now partnered with with some microbiologists, so we're gonna be adding on some different types of services that help for autoimmunity, those that are dealing with autoimmune diseases, or those who are heading down the path of possibly, if they don't change anything, they could be have the full out autoimmune disease. There's a lot of people dealing with Hashimoto's, dealing, just with Graves' disease, dealing all these type of things, streaming from doing some of the things that we're telling you not to do. So, okay, we're trying to get back on track. But pretty much, we just want to let you know these things, they are not in line with some of the things that we practice. So you're definitely not going to get the same results, and we don't want to be responsible for saying that, just nothing worked. No, the thing is that you tried to combine two different programs. And for those now that come back to us from the dermatologist, we're going to be trying to get you guys to get on some good probiotic programs that we're going to be offering very soon. And I know, and that's another thing. When you're going to a practitioner, you can't just piecemeal everything. For example, there are a lot of different bacteria strands that are out on the market that are subpar, and a lot of them actually are not getting ingested. Matter of fact, by you just digesting it, you are killing thousands and sometimes millions of the bacteria that's supposed to be helping to produce gut health. These things are not helping to produce gut health. They do have some good health benefits, but they are not ultimately doing the thing that you purchased the product for. However, we are now being linked up with a company, and they have very good spores. They've done a lot of research on this matter with gut health, microbiologists, people who study different type of diseases. So we have now, we got the new tea, okay, at Weave Doctors Apothecary, okay? So all y'all clients, y'all better get in line, or y'all gonna be left behind in 2021, okay? So, we just wanted to address that. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? A lot of times, the last thing also that we've been dealing with, a lot of people do not want to change their diet. However, the reason why many of us are dealing with issues today is because of some of the inflammation that we talked about earlier with the gut dysbiosis, and just having a low amount of nutrition throughout the body, having a body low in minerals. All of these things contribute to worsening your health, and in the end game, for those who are trying to regrow their hair, they are not going to get the type of results that they are looking for. So we just wanted to give out that video, and we're going to have some more videos out in the future discussing further information regarding this topic. We thank you so much for your time, and we hope that you have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe, and make sure to stay away, honey, from them antibiotics and that salt, okay? All right. We're going to be talking to y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.